Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the concept that is Phyllotaxy. We already know the concept venation. In venation what happens? It is the arrangement of the veins and veinlets in the lamina of the leaf that is called as venation. Don't confuse it with Phyllotaxy. Okay, venation means it is the arrangement of veins and veinlets on the lamina of the leaf, but here the Phyllotaxy means it is the arrangement of leaves on the branch, or it may be in the stem. Okay, it is the arrangement of leaves on the branch or stem. What is the use of this arrangement of the leaves, or what is the function? This arrangement helps in performing the leaves to photosynthesis. It helps the leaves to perform photosynthesis. Helps in performing photosynthesis. How? By getting sufficient oxygen. Whatever the sufficient oxygen which is available in the environment, that oxygen is utilized by all the leaves of the plants, and they prepare their food. To getting those sufficient oxygen properly, the leaves must need a proper arrangement pattern in the plant. Otherwise, only the upper leaves which is present at the tips, they only get the oxygen and they only prepare their food. All other the leaves, older leaves that is present, they don't get a sufficient oxygen to prepare their food, then they will be dead or fail to perform photosynthesis. Therefore, the Phyllotaxy is very important. It is the arrangement of leaves on the branch, or it is the arrangement of leaves on the stem. Here we can see three types of arrangement. The first arrangement is the alternate arrangement, and the second one is the opposite arrangement, and the third one is ordered arrangement. In opposite arrangement, we are divided into two types. Here the one is superimposed, another one is the decussate. Okay, let us learn one by one. Here the first we are going to discuss is the first type, that is the alternate arrangement. Here what happens in alternate arrangement? It is the stem of the plant, and from which it is the nodes which is present in the stem, and from each nodes a single leaf arises. In this way, that is the alternate arrangement. That is very simple type of arrangement. Okay, can you given this type? Only a single leaf arises from a single node. Okay, from this node only a single leaf arises. Okay, that example for this is sunflower. I will giving only some of the examples. Mustard can you give? And China rose, that is hibiscus. We can also give hibiscus as the example for alternate arrangement. Hibiscus. And the second type, that is the opposite arrangement. Here we already know that there is two type. The first one is superimposed. Here superimposed. And the second type is decussate. What is simple? Here consider it is a stem of the plant, and here the nodes are present, and a pair of leaves arise from a single nodes. Here one leaf arise here and another leaf arise here. A pair. The leaves are present in pair. Two leaves arise from a single node. That is called as superimposed. Okay, here how the leaves are arranged one over the other. Here it is very opposite, and only a single leaf arises from a single node. But here a pair of leaves arise from a single node and they are arranged one over the other. And here the gap between the leaves is also more. The example for this is Eugenia, that is blackberry. And here the decussate. Here it is the consider it is a stem of the plant, and here the nodes is present, and here the leaves present at the pair. And in this node, above this node, what happens? It is slightly curved like this. To getting a sufficient oxygen, sufficient sunlight, they are arranged in this way. It is not whorled, just it is crossed. And again it is here, and here consider is another node is present, and it is again curved like this. This like arrangement can you see in decussate. The example can you give his ocimum, that is also guava can you given. And the another type, the third is the whorled. Okay, there is a difference between decussate and whorled. Okay, you will be clear about this concept. In decussate the leaves are not whorled, okay, but it is just curved one. Here the last, from the last nodes, whatever the leaves arises, they will be in pair, above which also that is paired, but it is just curved. And here in whorled, it is a stem, and here the nodes present, and from one node is so many leaves are arised, and it almost covers the stem like this. It is oral shaped. Okay, example is Alstonia. Alstonia is the example. Here the leaves are just curved, not all the leaves, but here whorled, what happens? From one node the so many leaves arises, and it is almost covers the stem. That is the difference. Once again glance it. Phyllotaxy is the arrangement of leaves on the branch or the stem, and here it helps in photosynthesis. There are three types: alternate arrangement, opposite, and whorled. Alternate arrangement, here a single leaf arises from a single node. ಒಂದು ಲೀಫ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿಂದ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರನ್ನು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಕ್ಯುಸೆಟ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಪೇರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ 2 ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಜಿನಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೆರ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಕ್ಯುಸೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ತುಳಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓರಲ್ಡ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ನ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡೆಕ್ಯುಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓರಲ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಓರಲ್ಡ್ ಥರನೇ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಓರಲ್ಡ್. Alstonia is the example for oral arrangement.